Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Another day and I'm back with another new video, and today's video is going to be quite interesting because I have a very unique smartwatch to show you all in this video. So it's a brand new budget category smartwatch from Tagg, and let me tell you, this is one of the first budget smartwatch to actually feature a 3D curved display, guys. And the model is called as Verve Ultra. They've launched it just today, and apart from that, it also packs some really nice features, and today in this video we're gonna unbox and check it out. So let's get started. So guys, here's our brand new budget watch from Tagg, the Verve Ultra. Comes in this sort of box packaging, and along with that the brand has also sent us different variety of straps with different finishing and materials. We'll talk about the straps. I'll show them to you one by one at a later part in the video. First we'll check out the smartwatch. So the watch came in this sort of box packaging, very compact box. We've got the Tagg branding at the top. The model is Verve Ultra, as I've told you just now, and we even have a picture of the product on the front side. The special thing about the watch is it comes with a 1.69-inch large 3D curved display. It supports 24/7 HR monitoring, SpO2 level monitoring. It's also IP68 water resistant and comes with some pretty awesome features which I'll tell you in this video. So those were some of its main highlights. Now there's nothing much written at the back side also, guys. So let's quickly get started with the unboxing part. And by the way, I forgot to mention, this video was sponsored by the brand, so a big thanks to them. Anyways, let's continue with the unboxing. So as soon as you open the package, we've got a tiny box over here which includes some paperwork, I believe. Yep, we've got some user manual, warranty card and these sort of stuff. Just make sure to read that whenever you have time. And here's the main product we've been waiting for. Tagg's new budget category smartwatch, the Verve Ultra. Oh wow. The color of the strap is also pretty nice, and along with that in the package you get a charging cable for the watch. That's it guys, these are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let me show you how the smartwatch looks like. We have the silver color edition. Let me just remove the sticker and show you. By the way guys, this watch will be exclusively available on Amazon India, that too with a special launch price offer with a great discount. We'll talk about the pricing details at the end of this video, so stay tuned. Oh wow, from my first impressions, the watch definitely looks beautiful. We'll just come back to the watch in a moment and talk about all of its features. But before that now, let me quickly show you all of these different variety of straps the brand has sent us. The brand mentioned that they've got like 5 different kind of solo loop bands available with different sizes as per your requirement. They also have like 4 variety of sports straps and 4 variety of leather straps. The first one we have in the hands over here is a leather strap, guys, and let me tell you, this is a magnetic metal strap with a leather-like finishing on top of it. I mean, just look at it. It latches on as soon as you just release it, guys. Like super convenient to use. So in this variant, they've sent 2 colors, blue and deep red. And this one over here is a sports band that has lots of perforated holes on it. This can be useful for sports kind of people who do a lot of workout activities. And last one, this is an elastic type band, guys. It's a single band that you need to hook it on both the sides of the smartwatch. So these are all the different variety of straps available for the watch. Now let's finally come back to the main product of the video, the brand new budget category smartwatch from Tagg, the Verve Ultra. So this is how it looks like. As I mentioned before guys, the watch comes with a curved 3D like display on top of it, and this is how it looks like. So basically it's got this 3D glass at the top side, guys, just above the display. And talking about the build quality looks very good. The entire body is made of a premium zinc alloy material, and let me tell you, most of the smartwatches around this budget come with like polycarbonate body. So Tagg is actually offering you a premium build quality on this model. And not to forget, it's also IP68 water resistant. And on the right side there's a tiny power button, and that is pretty much it guys. No more buttons anywhere. And here's how the watch looks from the back side. So going to the back side, we've got some details about the model. We've got a HR sensor and some charging contact points just above that. And here's how the built-in strap looks like. This one is also pretty good. Quality looks nice, feels soft and durable. And as I've told you guys, it's very easy to remove these straps, and you can replace them with any of these available ones with whichever you want. So that's it guys, that was our complete overview on the design and the build quality. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly set up the watch, use it for a few days, and then be right back to continue the video. Alright guys, so I'm back to continue the video. I've been using this smartwatch for the past couple of days, and now I'll be sharing like my complete experience and feedback on this model. So we've already discussed about the design and the build quality during the unboxing part, right? So now let's directly start off with the display quality. As mentioned at the beginning, the watch comes with a 1.69-inch IPS LCD display, and that too with a 3D curved glass at the top. And that is the main attraction of this watch guys, because it makes it look very premium in this price segment. And if you ask about the display quality, quality? Well, display quality is also very good. I can say it's one of the best smartwatches you can actually get with good display in this price segment. See, there's great amount of detail on the display. Everything is like easily readable no matter what sort of content you watch on it. And on top of that, colors are also very nice and accurate, and the display brightness is also quite bright, guys. You can easily view even in outdoor situations as well. No issues over here. And I forgot to mention, it even supports raise to wake function, guys, and that feature was also working very well. So guys, what I'll do is I'll give you a closer look at the watch. We'll talk about the home screen, built-in apps and features, UI, navigation, and all that stuff. So there you go, guys. This is how the home screen on the watch looks like. The watch comes with like 6 on-board watch faces, but you can even download more watch faces from its app, which include like, animated ones, analog, digital style, and you can even set your own custom wallpapers as watch face from your phone's gallery. That option is also there. So guys, by swiping left or right on the home screen, you can immediately change the watch face on this watch, which is pretty nice. You can change the look of it just like on the go. And by swiping down on the home screen, you can access the quick notifications panel. Here it shows you like the battery percentage, current date and time, and all that stuff. And you got some quick toggles like D&D mode is there, a quick flashlight is there, power off, and messaging area. And that's it over here. Now by swiping up on the home screen, you can easily access all the built-in apps and features. So basically this is like the app drawer. So let's quickly check out all the built-in apps and all the features available on it. Starting off, you got the fitness activity stuff where it shows you like how many steps you've taken, distance traveled, calories burned for that particular day. And if you want like a detailed analysis or maybe like a summary kind of thing, you can directly check out Tagg Fit app, available on both Android as well as iOS App Store. Now moving on, guys, you've got the HR monitoring app. We'll come to this part in a moment, and it does support sleep monitoring as well. And then you've got the messaging app, which shows you like all the received messages or maybe like missed call notifications, anything that you've got on your phone. And for this now, you'll definitely need to connect it to your phone via Bluetooth and need to install the app on your phone. I'll show you this demo also at a later part in the video. And then you got the sports or fitness app tracking. Here, using this app, you can track variety of sport activities like walking, running, trekking, and these sort of stuff. Now, again, one thing I have to mention, this is a budget category smartwatch, right? So it doesn't come with like built-in GPS like most of the other smartwatches. Again, it does support GPS tracking, but for that, you'll need to do the activity tracking from the built-in app on your phone, guys. There, it will utilize the GPS on your phone to record information like, geolocation, geo tracking, and these sort of stuff. So yeah, that was about the sports and fitness activity app. And then you've got a lot of other general apps also built in, like stopwatch is there, blood oxygen SpO2 level measurement is also available. That is a pretty nice thing. And this QR code is actually, to download the app on your phone. You can scan the code that is built in the watch and easily download the app. You've got a built-in Bluetooth music controller as well, using which you can control the music that is being played on your phone directly from the watch. You also have a built-in calculator, guys. This can be like very useful on your wrist. And in the settings, there's nothing much in the settings, guys. Just restart, power off, and about watch section. And one thing I do have to mention is that is something unique to this watch. The watch actually comes with like a built-in arcade game, guys. And actually features like motion sensor on board, and using that you can play this game on the watch. A pretty nice feature, I'd say, and the game is actually kind of fun. Motion sensor also works very well, as you can see right now in the video. So this is something unique, guys. It's not available on any smartwatch around this price segment. Now moving on, you also have a theme app that lets you choose like 2 different style layouts for the app launcher. And lastly, you got the weather app. So that is pretty much it, guys. These are all the built-in apps and features. The watch covers like most of the stuff that you would require on a smartwatch. So now what I'll do is I'll quickly talk about the fitness and the health related stuff. Now coming to the health section, the watch supports 24/7 continuous heart rate measurement, and also blood oxygen SpO2 level measurement is also there. And the HR monitoring app was doing a good job. It was working well and giving accurate results almost 90-95% of the time. Alright, now let me show you how you receive call and message notifications on the watch. For this to work, you'll definitely need to install the Tagg Fit app on your phone, available on both Play Store as well as iOS App Store, and you'll need to be connected to your watch via Bluetooth. So whenever you get a message on your phone, right, and when the watch is connected to your phone via Bluetooth, this is how you'll receive message notifications on the watch. Now there is no option to reply to these messages directly from the watch. You can only view the content of the message and the name of the sender on the display. And this is how you receive call notifications on the watch. It shows you the name of the person calling you, and there's only one option. You can either like dismiss or end the call. There is no option to answer the call. We're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the battery life as well. The watch comes with a built-in 210 milliampere battery, and I'd say the battery life was actually pretty decent. So on a moderate kind of usage, which includes like the brightness set to maximum and doing a bit of fitness and sport activity tracking, continuous HR measurement, blood oxygen SpO2 measurement, and doing a bit of smart features with the Bluetooth connection turned on once in a while, I was easily getting around like 8 to 9 days of battery life. Well guys, that was my video on Tagg's new budget smartwatch, the Verve Ultra. It's a great smartwatch for the price. Has a premium look and feel, love the curved display. You can even play a game on it. Like seriously, what more can you ask for the price tag? At the moment, Tagg is selling the smartwatch for only 2,999 rupees as a special launch price for a limited time period. Later on, it will be available for 3,499 rupees. So if you guys are interested, this is the right time to buy it. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.